In this video I'm talking about that if you're feeling insecure about your friend from your friends, and if you're feeling insecure that why I didn't get that opportunities, or why I'm trying but still not get the opportunities which I want in my life, but my friends are getting that opportunities. Listen it carefully. In this, if you are working on a skill very deeply or slowly, it's totally okay. Just find that thing, because the friends around you are just getting, maybe they get the deep depth knowledge about the things, but if they're not and they are just doing the things by their trips and tricks, listen my friend, this is not the thing you want to actually feel insecure about that. Because in this era everybody is running toward the short term pleasure and just getting that short term goals, and but they are not thinking about the long term goals, about the future secure future, and you are just planning for the long term goals. And I know that having a depth learning about the things is really important, because you are working on slowly and deeply, and you get better opportunities from that. So I think that there is a time of you come and you feel that all the things you do is worth it. So just remember that one thing, you don't have to be feel insecure about that. Everybody has a different journey in their life. If they are getting such kind of success and opportunities in them, you will get, because your hard work pays you in a long term. So remember that you don't have to be you don't have to be judge your perspectives on your life on others success or others opportunities. Yes, you can take the inspiration from us, or if you believe in their thinking or perspective, you can take inspiration from us, but you don't have to be totally judge your life according to their success, like they are getting success and why I not, and why I didn't get that opportunities and all. So I think that your time will also come. Just focus on your work daily and just don't think about the end goals. Just keep focusing every day. Just do the same thing and with consistency, and you gradually understand that, and you gradually get that opportunities you want in your life. Actually, yes, I'm not saying this with my experience, but I am saying it with that I believe in God and I have faith in myself and I have the patience. So, these three things you also have to implement that. Have faith, have patience is a really important thing, and you have to be rely on these things. So, yep, that's it. So, I think you don't have to be insecure, bro. You are the best version of yourself, and do whatever your mood says. Just do it, just do the work, and don't think about the fucking peoples which just get you feel insecure. And, yep, that's it. I think it's all. I think I mix up most of the topics, but I have to distinguish all the stopping and make a separate video of that. So yep, I will do it, but